Hi, I'm Meredith from the blog artsandclassy.com. Let's get started.
All right, so for my first step is to take these pieces. I got the 2 candlesticks from a thrift store. I got the finial from online shopping, and I bought the pedestal at Hobby Lobby, and I was able to acquire some paint to unify all of these pieces because they are going to be what's holding my deep dish pans, my cake pans together.
All right, so now I'm going to be painting over my gold wood pieces for my farmhouse tiered tray. I'm going to age them down a little bit before I assemble them to the pans. So I'm using a bright metallic paint in the color Bronze Antique. Taking a normal brush. I think the running theme I've noticed with farmhouse tiered trays, the unifying element of all of them is they have kind of a rustic look to them. So that's what I'm hoping to achieve with this paint. All right, so I bought these wonderful pans at the thrift store. So I got one that was consecutively smaller than the other. We're gonna start with this guy. We're gonna flip it over. I'm going to be taking this pedestal piece that I painted, and I'm gonna be using E6000 glue to secure it to the bottom to give it a more finished look. Flip that, perfect. So now that that guy is secure, we flip it over, allow some time for it to dry, but also put a little bit of pressure on it while it's drying. We're gonna move on to gluing this guy to the base of the pan, of the big pan. So I'm gonna be gluing the bottom part, and I'm also gonna be gluing the top part so it can adhere to the next smaller cake pan. Okay, so while I'm letting that dry, we're gonna assemble the next layer. All right, so we're gonna take our E6000 glue, do the same thing we did on the last layer. All right, we're just gonna nestle that in the center. Make sure everything else is in the center the way I want it. All right. All right, so we're gonna take our E6000 and trace around this candlestick. We're gonna put our top tier, securing that, letting that dry, and then we are gonna put our final piece, our top finial, which I'm gonna also use E6000 for. And we're gonna put that right in the center. All right, now we just have to wait for this to completely dry, and we can set it up in the space that we're gonna use it in. All right, I'm so happy that this piece has turned out exactly how I had hoped. It is a beautiful new centerpiece for my kitchen island, and I love that I can dress some fall decor in this farmhouse tiered tray. So, majority of the pieces, the candlesticks and the pans, were purchased from a thrift store. So go check out your local thrift store to find out what options you have to make your own custom farmhouse 3-tiered tray. And yeah, dress it with some fun decor, swap out seasonal stuff, and I think that you will enjoy this year round. It was super easy to make, and I'm really loving the fall finishes. So thank you so much for watching this project, and I will see you guys in my next episode. Have a great day.